Good day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself to your family. I'm Rumabel Banganan Pira, 34 years old, married. I have two daughters, ages 15 and 3 years old. I live in Caloocan City, Philippines. I am high school graduate. I have three brothers and three sisters. I am the youngest in the family. My hobbies are reading and singing. I am honest, trustworthy, patient, responsible, hardworking, friendly, and cheerful person. I work as domestic helper here in Philippines for 1 year with three members of the family, two adults and one baby's ages 3 months. My duties there are washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and take care baby and household chores. My second work as domestic helper was in Kuwait for 2 years and 2 months with the 7 members in the family, two adults and 5 children, ages 3, 5, 10, 15, and 18. My duties there are cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, and washing. My third work as domestic helper was in UAE for 2 years with the 6 members of the family, two adults and 4 children, ages 10 months, 3 years, 5 years, and 7. My duties there are cleaning the house, ironing, washing, and take care of the kids. My relationship with my previous employer were good. I treated them as my own and they treated me as my own family, and they treated me as one of the members of their family. Hello, ma'am, sir. I hope you choose me to work your family as your helper. I promise to do my best in my duties and responsibilities. I will love and take care of your kids if you have, and I will respect and I treat your family as my own family. I hope I will finish my contract and willing to renew as long as you want me. Thank you and God bless.